Lamar Odom is not here, traded to the Mavericks. Shannon Brown kind of lost the center. Whoa, look out! DeAndre Jordan throws down the first of what will be many slam dunks for the Clippers this year.
Brent Long, I'm Brian Davis. Lamar Odom offline. That one tapped back down a little too far. But look here. Harden on his giddy up and gone. Timeout, Dallas.
On at the center. Back in comes Detroit. Now the shot. Save the rebound. The score. Quick will leave it there. Comes back to the line to Erickson. The shot. Scores. The Red Wings lost. Scores. What a bullet.
Somewhere in this building, in this 21,000.
Scores. Everton. Zetterberg is Hudler with him. Zetterberg on a backhand at the goal post. Scores.
He's on.
Great play by Bertuzzi as it goes through. Scores. That's out from Bronson. Centering pass intercepted by Johnson. Grabbed by Clary Miller. Scores. Scores. There's a little revenge. Brad Stewart. 8-2 Bell Tire power play goal.
From the gun. Brady goes downfield. Pass wide open. And it's caught for a touchdown. And it's Ocho Cinco.
As a quarterback in the NFL where he's actually played in the game and thrown a pass. Donald Brown breaking free initially. And Brown off to the races. Donald Brown down the sideline. He's gone. Touchdown, Indianapolis.
Three tight ends, third and goal from the one. Jackie Battle is in for a Chiefs touchdown.
All those receivers down the field. Tamba Hali had a monster day pressuring the quarterback.
The 72 Dolphins can exhale. The Green Bay Packers 19-game win streak comes to an end. Packers are now 13-1. The Kansas City Chiefs in Romeo Crennel's debut as interim head coach. Kyle Orton's first start as a Chief, and Kansas City wins it 19-14.